Alright, out on the C-Rack, we got Jeff Miller with his LOC Doorknob. It's got a K535 in it, motor eject, parachute with a chute release. Chute release set for 600 feet. It's a big rocket with a big motor.
Godspeed.
Fly, sky is clear, range is clear. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very nice.
Very nice.
It's going up there. He's up there. Locking over.
Okay, Neil.
Got an event.
Got a good set.
I got something shiny and I lost it in the smoke.
I still see it.
See something clearing the smoke.
Separation is good. Chute is all the way out.
Good. Chute is still reefed. I see it now. That metal 4 section is sparking in the sun or glinting in the sun. Release at 600 feet. Should be coming in a couple seconds.
It's unwrapped. Come on, open.
We got something going on, but it's not coming in perfectly.
Up.
Oh,
I think it just saved it.
Jeff, what is it with you and that rocket?